Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at Codeforces 118A problem. So this problem is rated as 1000 rating and it is given such that there is a set string which has uppercase and lowercase Latin letters, and the task is to delete all the vowels and insert a character dot before each consonant and replace all the uppercase character with the corresponding lowercase character. So one thing to notice here is that vowels given are the normal vowels alongside y. Y is also to be considered as a vowel in this case. So the uh, problem is pretty much straightforward. Input is given as a string and we need to print the output. So the algorithm for this would be something like this. So we will just initialize an empty string answer here, in which we will generate our string which has to be printed. Then after taking the input string, we will just loop all the characters of the string one by one. And we will check first if the character is uppercase or not. If it is uppercase, then we will replace that character with the lowercase character of that letter. And after changing into lowercase, then we will check if the character is vowel or not. So if it is vowel, then we will not modify our answer string and we will move forward to the next character of the string. But if the character is not vowel, then we need to update our answer string by appending dot and then with the character itself. So looking at this example here, for tool, initially our answer is declared as 0 and we loop through each character of the string. Once we go to T, it is seen that it is a consonant, so we add and dot and T and our answer becomes dot T in this uh, iteration of the loop. Moving on to the O of the letter of the word, we see it is a vowel, and as it is a vowel, we do not modify our answer string and it stays the same and we continue to the next character. Moving on, U is also a vowel, so we will continue in this case as well. Now when we reach to capital R, we first check that this character is uppercase or not. In this case it is uppercase, so we will change this uppercase character into lowercase character. Now this can be done using various methods. If the language you're using for coding provides the function to directly change the uppercase to lowercase, you can use that, or you can check it using ASCII values. To convert the uppercase into lowercase of the word, you just need to add plus 32 as the ASCII plus 32 to the string to change it into lowercase. So I will change it using by adding plus 32 to the capital letter. Then after changing our word into lowercase, we will check if it is vowel or not. As R is not a vowel, we will add the dot operator and the R to the answer. And after all the iteration of the characters, we get our final answer as dot T dot R. Similarly, for other examples, this can be done. Now moving on to the code implementation of this problem. So I have taken input here and initialized the empty answer as I mentioned. Then I will loop through all the characters of the input which I have taken, and this is to check whether the char is uppercase or not. So in ASCII, if the character is between 65 and 90, then it is uppercase, as 65 stands for capital A and 90 stands for capital Z. So if it is uppercase, then I am replacing the uppercase character with the lowercase character, which is achieved by adding plus 32 to it. Then after that, we are checking if the char is from the given vowels list, which is A, E, I, O, U and Y. So if it is from any one of these, we are just skipping this iteration, and if it is not, then we simply add dot and the character to the answer, and then we will print the answer. So let's take this as input and run the code based on this. I forgot to save the code. So as you can see on this, it will return dot b dot c dot p. As you can see, it is same as this. So I'll just submit this file as well. So as you can see, our answer gets accepted. So thank you for watching. Comment down below which problem you would like to see next. And do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more such videos and tutorials on different programming languages and web technologies and data science technologies. Thank you.